Hi guys, Isha this side and I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'll talk about three different type of analytics, that is descriptive, predictive and prescriptive. Let me first start with what is descriptive analytics. So when you study your historical data to understand what has happened in the past, why it happened, that is your descriptive analytics. Why will you undertake such study? Say, I want to review performance of a company. I can look at its sales number, maybe last quarter, last year, and any time range that I want to consider. I can look at sales figure, profit margins, customer demographics to make some conclusions. Say, I basis that analysis, I came up with a conclusion that my sales has dropped by 10% over last year. Now, what can I do? I can take some informed decision or next course of action that could be maybe to increase my promotional activity, to push more advertisements, to push more rewards, and whatever that next step of action is. All this comes under your descriptive analytics. Now let's move to another one, which is my predictive analytics. In predictive analytics also, you will study your historical data, but it is more for future outcomes or for forecasting purposes. Say, I'm an e-commerce company and I want to predict my future sales. I can use tools like time series analysis and regression and take into various variables like sales figure or profit figures or maybe seasonal fluctuations, customer demographics, and basis analyzing my entire data, I came up with a conclusion that I am expecting or I am predicting to increase my sales to increase by say 10%. Now I will have a better control over my production planning, better control over my inventory management. I can increase my production accordingly. I can have better supply chain management. So all these actions I am taking, analyzing my historical data and predicting my future sales. You undertake such analytics either to mitigate your risk or to capitalize on the opportunities available in the market. So this is part of your predictive analytics. Now there is an emerging field also, which is your prescriptive analytics. So just like a doctor diagnoses a patient and comes up with a prescription, similarly using descriptive and predictive to understand your past behavior, to make predictions about your future outcomes, you come up with a prescription or rather actionable recommendations for your end users. Let me clarify it further with an example. Say Uber. If Uber wants to minimize passenger waiting time or driver idle time, they can use various algorithms to understand their route optimization, peak timings, routes where the demands are high. Considering all these factors, they can accordingly allocate their driver to those routes where the demands are high during those times where the demands are high. So this will ultimately lead to high customer satisfaction. So in nutshell, if I have to conclude, each and every type of analytics is important, be it descriptive, predictive or prescriptive. Descriptive to understand your past behavior, predictive to make predictions about future outcomes, and prescriptive to come up with the ultimate actionable recommendations that can be employed to achieve your, or rather take proactive measures to achieve your ultimate goals. You need all these three collectively. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.